compound do we have?
We have sodium bicarbonate.
Well done. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate.
And carbon dioxide.
Well, wait a minute. What is it reacting with? Is it reacting with something?
Yes.
What? No, we're having heat. We're adding heat. That's all we're adding. This is how we say heat. And what's one of the products?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. We know that. What's another product?
Oxygen?
No oxygen. We never test oxygen with a burning splint. And it went out. What do you see on the side of the, careful, hot glass looks the same as cold glass. What do you see? Well done. Water is another, water and water. Now, do we have all our compounds accounted for? Sodium bicarbonate. We have carbon dioxide. The bi means there's a hydrogen in it. Okay? The 8 implies that there's oxygen is present, just like the dioxide. What's missing?
Sodium.
Sodium. It's in a compound. Sodium is not going to be an element by itself. Sodium is way too reactive for that. If you order pure sodium, which it's hard to find it. You can get tiny little pieces. They're delivered in oil, and it's super expensive to get it shipped to do a little demo putting it in there. So it's not just sodium, it's a sodium compound. What sodium compound is it? Who knows? Anybody know what sodium compound it would be? It's going to be sodium carbonate. And water and carbon dioxide. Artie, what type of chemical reaction is this?
I don't know.
What type of chemical reaction is this?
Decomposition.
Perfect. This is decomposition. Now, what about the formulas? Sodium bicarbonate. Does anyone remember what the formula is for bicarbonate?
H.
Yes. And what's carbonate?
CO3.
Perfect. What's sodium?
Na.
Well done. Sodium, this is sodium bicarbonate's formula, okay? And it's yielding sodium carbonate, which is going to be what?
NaCO3.
Sure is. And, hold on, I got to put a box there because there's something else. And what's water?
H2O.
And carbon dioxide.
CO2.
We got to take this with sodium carbonate because this is where you're going to make a mistake. What's the charge on sodium? It's group 1. Go with your gut.
2.
Nope.
1.
+1. Carbonate is what?
+3.
2 minus.
2 minus.
How many NAs do I need here?
2.
2.
What about?
Is it balanced?
Is it the same way for sodium bicarbonate?
Ah, that's such a good question. This is +1, this is +1, this is 2 minus. What a great question. Wow, you guys, this is great. I was at the pit of despair on Tuesday. Not anymore. Okay, that is a great question. Now, you have to, because it won't balance if you have an NaCO3, make sure you have this written correctly. You need both word and the formulas and balanced and the type. What type was this again?
Decomposition.
Well done. All right, let's go back and do number. Let's do number